Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our HTML and CSS tutorial. Today we will continue with our HTML activity, and today we will be discussing all about style, right? The HTML style attribute. So by the end of our video, you will know how to use the style attribute, okay, on your HTML. So you will know how to change the background color, all right, of your HTML, or let's say your text, and you wanted to change the background color, okay, or you will know how to change the color of your text, all right. You will know how to change the font style, okay, the Arial times New Roman, so and so, okay. The font size, if you want a larger text or smaller text, okay, and we also have the alignment, all right. So if you want it to be in center, on the right alignment or left alignment, we also have the format, and there's actually a lot more, but I'm gonna be discussing 5. All right. So if you guys are ready, go ahead, go open your notepad. All right. So this is it. I'm gonna open a notepad here. And let's start with our usual HTML. HTML styles. Alright, so let's start the use background color. Alright, so this is how you encode it. Use H1 style. This is the sample. I'm just gonna be copy pasting it so it will be easier. So this is the H1. This is the H1. If you can still remember, right? Let me see this up. Styles. Nope, sorry. File, save as, styles, HTML. Let's open it. There. So this is how it will look like. Okay, the H1, right? But if we put in there this code, all right, this syntax, the style, right, and then quotation mark, open, close, and then the style here, background color, and then the color is powder blue. So I'll save this, F5. So this is powder blue. If you try to notice it, the background of the text from here to there is changed. So you can always change the color here. Let's say you want it on a yellow, right? Okay, there. So this is H1. If you want it to the paragraph tag, okay, you can always change the color. So you want it to be blue, right? So this is a paragraph. There, okay. So that's the how you change the background. Next is we have the font color. So this is how you do it. This is the style. This is the sample. Okay. So this is the style equals the color of the font is blue. So if you want to change the background color. But if you want to change just the color of the text, okay, use this one, right? I'll control, save it, enter there. So as you can see, the color of the text became blue and the color of the text became red. Alright, following so far? Alright, very good. Let's continue. Sample number 3. Now we will change the font family, okay, or the font style, right? So here's style, font family, Verdana, okay, and we also have font family here, Courier. Okay, let's save this, let's run. F5, there. This is the font style of Verdana, okay, this is the Courier. Let's say, let's change it to, say this is Times New Roman. Right, I'll save it. There, it's changed. Okay, or let's say you want it to be on monotype cursiva. Okay, there, that is a monotype cursiva. So that's how you change the font style. Alright, next, let's continue and let's go to changing the font size. Okay, so the size of the fonts, say there, press F5, there. As you can see, it became bigger. This one is a bit bigger as well. So you want it to be, let's say, 600%. Okay, there. Alright, say smaller. There. You want it to be very small, like 50%. There, it's going to be very small. Okay, there. Alright, so we know how to change the font size. There, style, then font size. Next, we will be discussing about the alignment. So the alignment goes like this. I'll save this. There. So you can see, text align center. Style, text align center. So the text became on the center alignment. Say you want it to be on the left. This one, to the left. There, that's left. If you want it to be on the right, there, became right. Okay, I'm not sure if it's seen, but it became right. It's the part here. I'm just gonna change this to center. Alright, so that should be all for our HTML styles attribute discussion for HTML. Alright, so if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be more than willing to assist you with your HTML concerns. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe. Peace.